Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A10s, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code, and it is, let's say, an instant way, and the second is using the settings. Obviously I will show you both, but let's begin with the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you the second way to check those numbers if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And as you can see on the very first page, actually we've got the serial number and also both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy A10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.